It rained last night. Yep, after 2 days, no, not 2 days, I think multiple days of 41, 42 degrees. The rain was welcome, but it didn't create a dent. I mean, it's back to 41 degrees today. So there you are. Welcome back, folks. This is Krishnendu here on yet another edition of my personal vlog. We were out to shoot the thumbnail for the vlog, but somehow I asked him if you want to have coffee, and he said, yeah, let's have coffee instead. So we're not really going to take our photograph. We have to think of some innovative way of doing the photograph, but for the thumbnail, of course. But let's go have coffee, man. I haven't had coffee in a long time at my favorite place, not the countries, not the cities. I mean, this is my favorite place to have coffee. He was asking, do they make specialty coffee? He reads it as Schneider.
No, I didn't read it.
He read it as Schneider. First floor. And I was telling him yesterday, lifts are very interesting places to shoot. First floor, we're not going to second floor because second floor is for smokers.
Okay.
Let's go. Hi. Soumya, Mael, Soumya. This is my son. Outstanding. It's for a reason that this is my favorite coffee shop, and it's well, let's not go beyond it, let's just enjoy the coffee. Now we can understand what the brake does. Right. She's come to learn how to ride a motorcycle. Hi. This is Shweta, our wonderful neighbor. So this is the
clutcher.
This is the clutch. This is the front brake.
Yeah.
Okay. Now you have to be gentle with the front brake because it locks up the front wheel.
Yeah.
Okay. Unless you have ABS, and this model does not have an ABS. To your left leg.
There is no brake for the rear wheel?
There is.
Okay.
But the rear wheel does not usually have enough braking power as the front wheel. Okay. Now put your right leg down.
Okay.
Put your left leg down. What you have here, this is the gear lever.
Okay.
Okay. Now with your foot placed like this, if you put it down, that's first.
Okay. Here a clutch sound, huh?
Yeah. This when you put press in. This is the first, and then after that, first हो गया. Now, like this is on neutral.
Okay.
This is second.
Okay.
And then you keep going up, you go to third, fourth, fifth.
This is first, huh?
Either first or neutral, देखना पड़ेगा. हिला के देखो if it's moving. Bike हिला के देखो. Is it moving? Clutch छोड़ के. नहीं मुड़ा, so it's on first.
Okay.
Okay.
So, okay.
Now if you have to put it down to get, yeah, no.
Push up, no?
हाँ, up करो. हो गया. Keep it clutch pressed. ठीक है, not a problem. Keep going, पैर उठा लो.
This should I start now? Oh, abhi acha. First I have to start it, huh?
And folks, now she's riding on her own. Yeah, she's riding on her own. Now the safety has also been taken care of. I must congratulate Shweta for her amazing riding and learning skills. Not amazing riding skills immediately, but she's picked up so quick. Of course, I know I'm a pretty decent teacher, but she's a very good teacher, learner. She grasps things so quick that after a point of time, she was taking in the throttle all on her own. I mean, if she gets enough time to practice, she's on the bike, riding in the streets of Delhi in no time. Take it from me. Good job, Shweta.